Hello children, good morning. Children, we are discussing question answers of lesson number 3, developmental journey of a seed. Children, in our previous session, we completed up to question number 3. Now, in today's session, we will start from question number 4. That is, give examples of any 5 cereals, oilseeds, pulses, monocots and dicot seeds. So children, we have already discussed about it and we have also done experiment related to them. Wheat, paddy, millet, jawar, maize, etc. are example of cereals. Children, in this image you can see some food items made from cereals. Children, here you can see images of pulses. Green gram, Bengal gram, pigeon peas, mud beans, field beans, etc. are some of the example of pulses. Children, here you can see kidney bean, washed gram, green gram, then chole, mud, etc. Groundnut, sesame, castor, mustard, cotton seeds, etc. are the seeds from which we get oil or we extract oil from these seeds. In this image, you can see groundnut. In next image, you can see few seeds from which we extract oil. Now come to the monocot seeds. The first picture shows the example of or the image of monocot seed. The monocot seed, it has only one cotyledon. Wheat, mustard, sesame, rice, maize, etc. are example of monocot seed. The next image is of dicot seed. Mango seed, green gram, pea, groundnut, Bengal gram, etc. are images of dicot seed. Children, you can see from the image that a dicot seed has 2 cotyledons. Now come on the next question, that is question number 5. Answer the following in short. What are cereals? What are oilseeds? What are pulses? Cereals are the seeds which turn into broken pieces or powder are called cereals. Then the oil seed, these are the seeds releasing oil while breaking into pieces or powder are known as oil seeds, and pulses are the seeds having broken into 2 equal halves but leaving no oil mark on a paper during rubbing are called pulses. Now the next question is differentiate between monocot and a dicot seed. The seeds that do not break into 2 equal halves are called monocot seed. Children, you have already seen the image. A monocot seed has only one cotyledon, and the next is the dicot one. The seeds that break into 2 equal halves are called dicot seeds. It has 2 cotyledons. Examples of monocot seeds are wheat, maize, etc. And examples of dicot seeds are green gram, Bengal gram, mango, etc. Children, in our video, we discussed that monocot seeds have fibrous root and monocot plants are having the fibrous root and dicot plants are having the taproot. Even we also saw the image of the leaves of a monocot and dicot plant. Children, you will learn more about the differences in your higher classes. For this session, this much only. Okay, thank you children.